Breaking Mount Etna is erupting right now, and the skies are on fire. It's one of the most violent eruptions in recent years. Lava fountains, lightning storms, and massive ash plumes. Residents near Catania are being told to stay indoors. Flights are grounded, schools are closed. The volcano's seismic activity spiked hours before the blast. Scientists are watching closely. This is nature at its most terrifying and most majestic. Share this video to raise awareness. Mount Etna has awakened and the world is watching. Credits not available.